students are playing Blackout Bowling. They have a scorecard that they're trying to completely fill in. We're playing with 6 pins. And we have a 4-player rotation here. We have a bowler, a scorekeeper, a pin setter, and a ball returner. And they'll rotate through those 4 positions, taking turns rolling the ball 1 time, trying to knock down as many pins as they can. If they miss, they can mark off a 0 if they still have zeros on their sheet. Looks like this sheet does not have any zeros left, so there's nothing to mark off. They'll just rotate. They're gonna continue to take turns. Ooh, nice, there's a 3. Continue to take turns until their entire sheet is marked off. So our sheet looks like this. So we've got 0 through 6 because we're playing with 6 pins. That allows the kids to rotate quicker, less pins to manage, less pins to set up, and they can bowl more time. So when all of the numbers on their sheet are completely crossed off and it's completely full, then they have finished the Blackout Bowling activity. So our focus today is to get the students to learn the different positions. Bowler, after they bowl, they go do the score. After they do the score, they're in charge of pins. And after the pins, they take the ball up and go become the next bowler. So it's a 1-shot roll, mark off the pins, set them up, and let the next person go. Working cooperatively today in groups of 3 or 4. Kids are doing a nice job taking turns through the different positions and marking off all the pins on their score sheet.